This video is on magnification calculations. Most cells are too small to view with the naked eye, so microscopes, such as light microscopes, are used to magnify cells and their internal structures. A formula can be used to calculate the magnification factor or the actual size of cellular structures from microscope images, such as these micrographs of blood cells, the lining of the alveoli in the lungs, and a mitochondrion viewed under an electron microscope. The magnification of an image can be calculated by dividing the image size by the actual size of an object. This formula can be written into an equation triangle, where I represents image size, A represents actual size, and M represents magnification. The triangle allows us to easily rearrange the equation. Magnification is I divided by A, actual size is I divided by M, and image size is A multiplied by M. It's a good idea to use a memory aid of some kind, such as I am, to remember the letters in the equation triangle. Let's have a go at applying this formula to work out the magnification of a plant cell. First, we need to arrange the formula to allow us to calculate magnification. We remove M for magnification from the triangle, and the remaining letters show us that we need to divide I by A. Our equation is therefore image size divided by actual size. We've been given the actual size of the cell here, which is 0.05 millimeters, so we now need to use a ruler to measure the image size, which we can see measures 7.5 centimeters. The actual size has been given in millimeters, so we need to convert our measurements to millimeters so that the units match. 7.5 centimeters equals 75 millimeters. We can put our numbers into the equation and work out the answer, which is that the cell has been magnified 1,500 times. The most common mistake here is to forget to convert units. Don't forget that they need to match. This exam question presents us with an image of a root hair cell that has been magnified 400 times, labelled as structure X, and asks us to calculate its actual length for 2 marks. Note that calculation questions worth more than 1 mark will have the potential to gain marks for working out, even if the eventual answer that you give is wrong, so always show you're working. We need to start by rearranging the equation. We're looking for actual size, A, so we remove this from the triangle, leaving us with I over M. Our new equation is therefore actual size equals image size divided by magnification. We've been given magnification in the question, so we now just need to measure the image size. Here we've been given an on-screen ruler, but in an exam you would be expected to bring and use your own ruler. We can see here that the root hair measures 100 millimeters. At this stage it's a good idea to check for any unit conversions that are needed. As magnification does not have a unit, we don't need to worry about ensuring that units match in this instance. We can then substitute our numbers into the equation and complete the calculation. The actual size of the root hair cell is 0.25 millimeters. Remember to always show you're working out in calculation questions. In summary, magnification can be calculated by dividing image size by actual size. The magnification formula can be entered into an equation triangle for easy rearranging. Don't forget to check that any units match when carrying out magnification calculations. Always show any working out. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic resources here at Save My Exams.